Hey guys, today we are gonna unbox this Braun Freestyle 3 iron. So, packaging very well. Some cardboard and the charging cable. And the iron itself. Really well packed with the instructions, a welcome thing, and warranty. Another type of instructions for every language, it seems like. Some cardboard to protect it, and the bottom part. The handle is really comfortable and it has a see-through tank so you can see how much water you put in the tank. Really comfortable, easy to slide. It's anti-drip precision tip and an easy refill. And it's self-cleaning and 50% energy saving. And this is what the bottom looks like. Just gotta get it off first. Ooh, that's tight. And there. That's the bottom. Really easy to slide across. Super easy and smooth. It stands well, doesn't fall, balanced. And if you're moving it at a specific angle, like you're afraid it can't bend, don't worry, it can bend. A really nice blue color, slick design, and very comfortable handle. Really well.